So hello, welcome back to another video, and today in this video, we're going to be doing some more Cry of Fear. Wow, it's not actually Subway Surfers. I know the title says, oh, Subway Surfer Simulator. Shut up. This is just Cry of Fear, nothing more about it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. There'll be a card at the end of the video that has all my Cry of Fear series so far. Click it, because why not? Like the video if you enjoy it. I'll play more. I'm gonna finish this game. I don't care. Now, without further ado, enjoy this video of me shooting children and getting hit by a train. In a video game, of course, YouTube, please put the thing in the thing. Here goes nothing. Alrighty, let's go. Let's get her done. Is the fuse still there? Ah, bad game. Hanson Square. Good times, good steering, good quality. What's better? I knew it. Oh, we'll have to reload. Hold up. Weave. Bitch. Yeah, so anyway. What's this gun called? I don't know what we should call it. Oh, save point. And magazine and with this music, magazine, and the save point here, I cannot imagine what comes next. Hang on, pause. I'm translating this. Open up Google Translate right now. Cannoneer. Rabbits. Okay, it's Danish. Allah Scab. No. Alscar. All lovers. We'll go Cannoneer. Rabbits. Everyone loves rabbits, it says. Rabbits. Everyone loves rabbits. These are some sounds I'm not a fan of. Alright, so where the fuck am I going? Oh, I hate this, bro. What do you want, mother? You scare the shit out of me. Alrighty. Doors up to an electric lock. Interesting. So we gotta turn off the electricity. Can I? Oh, I can just go through this. Oh my god, she's alive. I did not expect her to live. Bro. Okay. Can I take the escalator? I can take the escalator. Hang on a minute. Sorry. I just want to test something. Okay, this is interesting. So if I pause and do this, I can look around, but I can't do nothing else. But time is still frozen. Interesting. I wonder if I can use that to my advantage. Oh! And they do go one shot down to that. I just missed, apparently. Okay. Interesting. Remember. Remember, AIDS. What are these posters? I'm not complaining, I think they're funny, but I need a light here. I need light. Ah! What do I have to do? What was the gun? I don't remember what the. Alright, well, fucking die. I don't remember what the resist suicide button was. Three, 2, 1, and yeah, what's up, bitch? That's what I fucking thought. What I thought. Teabag. Alright, now I need a light. She can't make me want to kill myself if I just shoot her in the fucking chest. Alright, quickly turn around. Yep. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. You're not special. Don't budge. This is an electronic block. Okay. So, I'm going to real quick bring out the bozo. How are you alive? Uh-oh. Excuse me. If you, what? Is she? Oh, she's dead. Uh-oh. Game's bugged. Yeah, she's dead. Oh, what the? Great game. Okay, interesting. Alright, but here's the thing. There's another electronic lock. I'm gonna get jumped, by the way. Someone's gonna be near. It's a hallway in this game. There's nothing that, there's no way. Oh, really? Wow. Oh, boo! No fun. That means there's gonna be another lever I have to flip, and oh, bruh. Alrighty. Time to get fucked and die. This place is well lit, so I can bring out the bozo. Cause what are they gonna do? Don't tell me I'm timed, bro. We run. I don't know if I have time now. Go. Oh my god, bro, this geometry. Gotta go. Go. Hey. Come on, brother. I can't take the escalator. Oh my god, I think I messed it up. Yes, sir! Okay. Barely, bro. Oh god. That's not really good. That's really not good. Bro, nah. Watch this. Weave. Bro, push me. Peek me, I dare you. Watch this. Another one? Another one. What? Oh, is that a permanent one? The train. Oh my god, that thing is gonna get hit by a train. Please tell me it has noises. Beautiful. Now I can go this way. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, okay. That's just a blackout train model. This is nothing. Oh. I don't even know those are there. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't realize it. Oh, fuck. Uh-huh. A flare? No. Don't do this, bro. Don't do this, bro. Can I dual wield it at least? Oh my god, I can't. Oh. Oh, fuck this shit, bro. Fuck you. Fuck this. Oh my god. Is this the way out? Please say this. I need to drop this flip. Bitch, out of here. Go. Please, I don't want to die. Okay, I think I'm good. Alright, I don't need a flare now. What? What is that? Oh, nah. Fuck you. I don't want to go up yet. Never mind. I don't like it. I don't like that. It's dark. Burns for about a minute? Yeesh. Okay. I'm going for it. I like that this game does that though. Like, it rewards you for going in places you shouldn't be in by giving you items, you know? Like, in the last area, how I had to kill that suicidal, the suicide bitch. In order to get things, and like, if I go into... No, thank you. I don't want any. What? Oh, nah, bro. I'm dual wielding it. I'm dual wielding it. I'm gonna do it. Fuck this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Bro, die. Eee! Okay, my friend. Is it still this dark? Oh my. Do I have to use my last flare? I'm gonna use my last flare, cause. Okay. Well, cause I can go back here, and I could definitely fit through there, which I think what the game wants me to do. So I'm going to. Yeah, so I can't fit through. Yep. Yup. Yes, sir, brother. I know what I'm on. Alrighty. Hip. Let me go. God magazine. Alright. I'm gonna need to use it for someone to fucking down here, aren't I? Ah, a save point. Lovely. Hey, another flare. Save the subway tunnels. Dude, what is this? Bro, what? Oh my god, and if parkour didn't piss me off before. How do I go up? Crouch jump. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Come on, let me in, brother, thank you. Another flare. Go fuck yourself. Great fucking job, dimwit. I knew someone would be around one of these corners too, because this game's predictable like that. Bitch! Die! God damn, brother. Alright, let's take a guess. Alright. I actually don't know why I did that. Huh. Hello, brother. Oh, wow. That count as a prediction? I gotta let another one. Alright. Going this way. Actually, no, I'm going left. Left is always... Is that a rat? That's a cat! Oh my god, dead cat. That's so sad. Fuck off, bro. Bro, nah. Someone getting the best head of their life in here. I gotta go see that. Oh. Stuck. I can't carry any more syringe. Excuse me? Syringes? Fuck, wrong button. That's a flare. Yeah, this game's great. Oh my god. Look at that timing. You know what I do here? Yeah. Come on, man. I think this one comes from, yep. And this one comes from this way? Yeah, you're not fucking slick, bro. Alright. We chuck that. That is not at all what I just did, but okay. That is the most impractical way to do that, by the way. Dude, I'm gonna turn this corner and I'm gonna get fucking fucked in the ass. I don't know. I'm spamming right click, and then I'm gonna have my trigger finger ready. Where am I, dog? Oh. Alright, left. Left's always right. Actually, no, right's gonna be right this time, because left was right last. No, right was right last time. That's fine. I can see a light here. That's the reason I picked it. Alright, do I save first? I'm gonna save first. I'm permanently crouching. Oh, that's okay. Whatever. I don't care. Now time to go get myself some guns. Okay, hold on a minute. So I can walk up this, no problem. But then this, that's too much. Makes sense. Alrighty. I'm so glad I'm back up to as much ammo as I used to have. Makes me feel so great. Actually, no, it doesn't, because that means I have to use it. Alrighty. Let's just give myself a little bit of a drop. Pick up this bicycle. Oh, that's not a bicycle, but okay. Alright. I'm afraid if I walk too close to those, I'm gonna get the train's gonna fucking start and kill me. I'm just gonna get rid of that, because it's making it harder to see the rest of the world. Okay, let me just. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the flares. Keep the flares out. Hey, dog. What would that have been to, brother? Oh. It's okay, so I have to go this way. I'm not gonna get hit by a train. Oh. Well, fuck me. Alright, so that. Thanks, partner. Is that what I had to do? Or is there just gonna be another train? No, I had to do that. Sick. No, I didn't have to do that. What the fuck? I'm so confused. Uh-huh. So I did kind of have to do that. Alrighty. Do that. Waiting for some little child to be crawling around here. You don't scare me, bruh. You and your pit-a-pat. Now, hypothetically, if I just... Nah, it's not worth it. What happens if I do this? Okay. Another flare. Oh my god, brother. Oh no, I'm so scared. Shut up, bitch. Not your place, trash. How'd she even get up there? Bro, she must got. Oh no, I could get up there. If my character had arms that weren't just like little PNGs, maybe I can get up there. Alrighty. Now I wonder if I'm gonna hit by a train when I do this. Alright, well you can see it's gated off there. You fucking bitch. Interesting. Alright, I guess I just run. Oh, I see where I run to. Okay. Fuck you, game. You suck, big dick and balls. Why is the audio so bad? I still have a gun on me. Don't underestimate me, partner. I will pop you in the face. Alright, well. Weave. Hard peeking. Jump peek. Oh, okay. My random skills will carry me to this W. Alright, no, you're not gonna tell me this train's gonna start up and I'm gonna fucking die, just in case it does. Cutscene? Oh yeah, there's that doctor guy. Oh god. Why are you acting so like, oh my god, this is the worst thing in the world? Dog, you've shot a lot of people. It doesn't look like he was one of those things. Oh, does it? Are you sure about that, brother? Cause like, I don't know, where do you draw the line? Hey, what if he wasn't a zombie, he was just a meth addict? I mean like, okay, so, here's the thing, what if I just don't follow him? Just in case anything happens. What if I just leave? Like, if I just dip, you know. Ah. Blocked. Ah, balls. Oh no, I can just literally dip. Oh, never mind. Well, damn. Alrighty. Wait, what's this? Our deadline's wearing you down. Can't find the something to get the job done. The mod team. We will never. I don't know. From the creators of Cry of Fear, intimidated by an anomalies. I don't know, bro. Hey, that's interesting. That's a genuine, like, thing, and I'll 100% play that. I don't think it is, though. You know how it is. I love that they made the escalators work like real escalators. Next save point, I might. Actually, no. I don't know. Depends. Depends on where the next save point is. If it's like right here, then I don't think I will cut it now. I have to go down? I don't have to go down. Aha. Down. Alright. Depression? Hang on, I need to read these. I can't read these. Crap. Why is it all depression? And then rabbits. Everybody likes rabbits. Just depression and rabbits. And then this escalator's taking a while, huh? Swenson legal advice. Kinda wants some legal advice. Oh. I can't read it. Damn. That's rough. Ah, save point. Alrighty. Do we think it's enough to call it here? Uh-oh. Key and battery. Bro, you think I got the space for a key and a battery? Do you think I can drop anything? I actually can't drop anything. That's genuine. Alright, well then we will... Okay. We'll have to just end it. No, I mean like... Drop. I meant drop all of them, yeah. So if I do that... This flare is burnt out. That's interesting. That's kind of cool and quirky. Alright, do we take the battery or the key first? Battery, apparently. Alrighty. I could drop my other gun. Alright, Ratio, I'm sorry. Wait here for me. I'll be back. I'll be back, brother. Rest assured, partner, I will be back for you. I promise. That's a good way to end the video. It's a great way to end the video, actually. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. If I need 2 fuses, they're probably separate. Alright, never mind. Ratio, I'm sorry for teasing you like that. But, oh, shit. Okay, wait, hold on. That is for my phone. Oh. Can I use it? Do I have to, like, combine with... That's so cool. That's actually, like, genuinely really cool. Now, bitch? Yeah. Alrighty. Well then cool, now I don't have to drop the ratio. And that's an even better way to end the video.